If you've been seeing the Jetterix pressure nozzle all over the internet, you're probably wondering if it actually works or if it's just another overhyped gadget. After looking into its features and user feedback, here's what I found. The Jetterix pressure nozzle is designed to attach to a regular garden hose. The company claims it can increase water pressure and make cleaning jobs much easier. It's advertised for washing cars, cleaning driveways, patios, windows, fences, and even watering the garden. Now here's the important part. The nozzle itself does not create extra water pressure. That's simply not how it works. Your home's water pressure stays exactly the same. What the nozzle does is change the shape and speed of the water stream. That can make the spray feel stronger and more focused, but it isn't the same as using a real pressure washer. In my research, the focused jet spray handled light cleaning fairly well. It rinsed dirt off outdoor furniture and cleaned mud from a car without much trouble. The fan spray was also useful for watering plants and general rinsing. However, the results weren't as impressive on tougher jobs. Stubborn stains, oil marks, and years of built-up grime on concrete still required a proper pressure washer. If you're expecting professional-level cleaning, you'll probably be disappointed. Build quality also seems to depend on where you buy it. Some buyers report receiving a solid brass nozzle that feels durable. Others mention lower quality versions that don't last as long. That's something worth keeping in mind before placing an order. One thing I do like is the simple design. There's no electricity needed, no motor, no complicated setup. Just connect it to your garden hose and you're ready to go in seconds. So, is the Jetterix pressure nozzle legit or a scam? I'd say it's somewhere in the middle. It's a legitimate garden hose attachment that can make everyday rinsing and light cleaning easier. But if you believe the advertisements claiming it performs like a powerful pressure washer, those claims are definitely exaggerated.